Does Temu really sell Amazon products at a lower price? Let's find out. I ordered 5 different items from both Temu and Amazon based on the photo listings. I wasn't 100% sure that they were the exact same items, but based on the photos of the listings, I tried to place orders that looked alike. So as you can see, I am a mama and I order things that are kids related. These are little dividers that you hang in your closet and you can separate your baby's clothes based on their size and how old they are. First and foremost, you can tell that they're packaged differently. This one here is from Amazon and the price for this was $11.90. This one is from Temu and this was only $6.48, so it was nearly half the price of the one from Amazon. This is the one from Amazon. This one is a lot more giftable. It comes in a craft box that you can just easily wrap with wrapping paper or you can draw on it. And then once you open it, there's a plastic bag and everything is tied together nicely with a little ribbon. The one from Temu arrived first and I didn't really compare it to the product listings online until I was doing this video and I was comparing the two pictures. That's when I realized that the product that they sent me doesn't really look like what the photos look like on Temu. Here's a comparison between the Amazon one and the Temu one. You can see that the shape is a little bit different. The S curve up here is a little bit different. The opening here is a little bit different, so I imagine this one probably may have a hard time going over the rod in your closet, and this one has a larger opening, so this one should just pop right on. And then the second thing I'm noticing is that the colors are a lot more vibrant on the one from Amazon, and the one from Temu is really washed out. The quality of the wood is about the same, so if you don't care for the printing quality or the exact size, or if you have like a thinner rod in your closet, the one from Temu might work for you because again, this is not going to fit over a regular rod and you might have to bend it. Actually, no, if you bend it, it's gonna snap. So it's either not gonna fit at all on in your closet, the Temu version, or you have to take the rod down, put these on there, and then put the rod back, depending on how your closet is set up. Here's just a quick look at size difference here from the front, and then when you turn it around, you can see the opening clearly. The one that's back here is Amazon, and then the one that's closest to me is the Temu version. When I first looked at these, I can tell right away that they probably copied somebody from Etsy or like some artsy website like that. These are not really branded. So I went online and I searched Etsy for this. I found 2 sellers. Well, I didn't go through all the listings because there were too many listings, but I found 2 sellers that sold this. One of them had photos for both of these products. If you look really closely, you can tell the difference. And then they were selling it for like $28 or $30. So Etsy was the most expensive. Amazon is the middle ground, and then Temu is the cheapest. The second item that we're gonna look at, this is children's color classification toys. Off the bat, this one is Temu, this one is Amazon. It's the exact same thing. There's nothing different about it. I can assure you, I looked like left and right. Everything about this is the same, down to the packaging. Even the rope handle on this little cylinder container is the same. Price-wise, this one is $7.58 from Temu. This one is $9.99 on Amazon. So we got the one from Temu first, and sorry for the light change. It's a cloudy and windy day and the light keeps changing. Basically, there are tongs in here and there are color matching bowls as well as a little dinosaur figurine. So your child can color separate these and put them into the matching bowls. They can use these little tongs to pick out the dinosaurs. They can work on dexterity and also color coordination. And there's various ways you can play with this. You can make up your own rules and stuff like that. Not much else to say here because it's the exact same thing. In terms of the listing photos online, they are a little bit different. For all the items that we're going to be looking at today, none of them had the exact same listing photos. Shipping wise for Temu will take longer because they ship directly from China. If you purchase over $120 or $130, shipping will be express, which means you'll get it within like 5 to 7 business days. But if you spend below that, they will give you the regular shipping, which is, it could be up to like 10 business days, which is like 2 weeks. And Amazon, of course, if you have Amazon Prime, you can get some stuff the same day, you can get some stuff next day, you can get some stuff, you know, much quicker than Temu. But of course, you do have to pay a membership fee for that, and not every item is available for fast shipping because it just depends on which warehouse it's in. All right, item number 3, we are going to be looking at a set of garden building, I don't really know what the name is. Creation, Count, and Stack Gardenscapes. That's the name. So this one is from Temu. This one is from Amazon. I took a close look at the packaging. It is the exact same thing. The box size is different because the piece count is different. For the one from Temu, this one comes with 224 pieces, and the cost for this was $10.18. The one from Amazon has 272 pieces, and this was $29.69. So it was like 3 times more expensive than this one. I know the box is bigger and the piece count is a little bit more than this one, but like that's a huge difference. I took a look at everything inside and it's the exact same thing. You cannot tell the difference. So I guess they just package it differently and change the piece count depending on where they're selling it. What I found on Amazon, there were a couple different other designs, not like it didn't look exactly like this one. It was just like the idea was the same. One thing I don't like about ordering some of these toys directly from China, or like if you're buying it from Amazon and it's coming from a seller in China, is that I don't think the toys go through a lot of testing in terms of chemical testing and small parts and stuff. This one, they do mention on the bottom of the box that is a choking hazard for anyone below 3. Plastic bags in this toy don't have a warning on it. Usually plastic bags all have to have a warning, like a suffocation warning, like keep it away from babies and kids. Kids can suffocate from bags. So what I'm not seeing from here is that warning. That is a legal warning if you want to sell your toys in the US, but because this bag is inside a box, I guess they somehow got away with it. Anyways, I started playing with this a little bit. Another thing that I didn't like is that it didn't come with an instruction sheet. All the pieces are loose like this in a bag, and it took me maybe a few minutes to figure out how it works. What you get in the bag, there are little green stems and little flower petals and leaf petals, and you can put your flower together. So there's lots of different variations. I think kids will have a lot of fun with this. And on the back of the box, there's different ways you can play. You can also stack these on top of building blocks, or you can just make long flower stems and put them in the sand or put them in a vase or something. For the purpose of this video, I have a Lego Duplo block here, and I just wanted to see if they fit, and they actually do fit. So if you have a table that's covered in Duplo or just like Lego pieces lying around, you can also play like this, like add it to your vehicles or buildings or whatever. So that's kind of cool. For 10 bucks with this huge bag, that's a pretty good deal. I definitely would not buy the Amazon version because it's 3 times more expensive, and it's the same thing that you're getting from Amazon anyways. Okay, next item is arts and crafts related. So this is a tub of silky crayons, gel crayons, there you go, that's what you call it. So this is by Arteza Kids, and this is for ages 3 and up. There are 36 twistable crayons in here, and it looks like this. And I also ordered it from Amazon. It is the exact same thing once again. They write the same, the colors are exactly the same. Pricing wise, the one from Temu is $16.98 and the one from Amazon is $19.99. So not too big of a price difference there. So you save like $3 if you buy it on Temu. Actually, before I filmed this video, I went on Temu to check how much I paid for this, and it seems like this is sold out on Temu. And then another thing I wanted to mention for these is because it is a gel crayon, it was not eligible for express shipping from Temu. Things with batteries inside, things with magnets, things with like blades, and things like certain types of gels and stuff, if the item contains any of those materials, they cannot ship it express. Even though I spent over $130 on Temu, I had to wait a few extra days for this item. So the reason why they're called gel crayons is because they have this really smooth texture when you write. It glides on like silk. The colors are a lot richer than your typical crayons, and then you can twist to get more of it. Moving on to the last item, we are taking a look at Domino Train automatic placement. Funniest names. It doesn't seem like there's any other type of branding on here, so I don't know what the name of the company is that makes this, but I was able to find the exact same thing on Amazon. Ta-da! The one from Temu, the box got banged up a little bit. The one from Amazon came mint condition. Price-wise, the one from Temu is $8.38. The one from Amazon is $16.99. Now, this one has 60 pieces inside and this one has 80 pieces inside. So you do get a little bit more, and you actually get an extra cartridge in here, and I'll explain that in a second. It is like almost twice as expensive as this one. You basically put dominoes into a cartridge, and then you pop the cartridge over this train. You turn on the button and the train moves as it drops down dominoes so that you don't have to place them one by one by hand. It's both fun seeing how the train just drops dominoes, and of course you also have that fun effect of pushing down dominoes. There were a couple different options on Temu. You can also get sets with extra dominoes, you can get sets with extra cartridges. The one from Temu, because it's a 60-piece count, they only gave me 2 different colored dominoes. The one from Amazon actually also comes with a little screwdriver. I don't know if because they forgot to pack it in the Temu one, or it was just something to add it at the last minute, who knows. You use this to open up the battery door on the bottom of the train because they don't want kids getting into the battery, so they want to make sure that it's not just like a pop and open kind of thing. So you actually have to unscrew the screw and then take off the cover and change the batteries. Like I mentioned, there are 2 cartridges in here. I guess you can build your dominoes faster. You can just like, you know, when this one's finished, you load this one up and you put it in. And then this one, because there's more pieces in here, there's also an extra color. This one also has a green color. You have the same teal, we have the same orangey coral color, and then a new green color in the one from Amazon. This one, no brainer. If you need it in a jiffy, then order from Amazon. If you don't need it right away, then order from Temu. All right, so that was comparing 5 different items from both Temu and Amazon. It seems like the items that I chose are pretty much the same thing, or at least they try to be the same thing. Of course, this is not to say that everything on Temu is available on Amazon, but this was a fun little experiment. I'll leave all the links down below so you can find these items easily if you want to take a look at them yourself. If you've never tried Temu before, I think if you use my link, you can save up to $100 depending on how you use the coupons. It's not like $100 all at once, but like if you spend over $100 here, you get $20 off, etc., etc. I think they keep changing the terms. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!